Hey guys and gals, Tim here with SPEC Technologies. Just want to show you this week's build. This is a 16-foot long tandem axle trailer with ramp doors. We have a Graco A25 in here. We're going to get to all the components here in just a minute. Let's start up front here. This is the generator door. It houses a generator. It lets it exhaust. I'm going to open the door here, show you what we have. And here is the generator slide. It is all the way in the trailer right now, and one of my guys is going to push it completely out of the trailer. Go ahead, Jacob, push it all the way out. There we go. So this puts the generator, the heat, all the exhaust outside the trailer. Make sure you don't park next to a series of bushes or trees or anything that might ignite. We're just running shore power right now while we demonstrate this trailer. So coming around the front of the trailer, we have another door, the passenger door. Here, we install this divider wall. Has LED lighting. You can see again the generator is slid all the way outside the trailer. And we install a 55 CFM, 18 horsepower Vanguard gas-driven compressor. It's exhausted through the floor. We make sure we put it up on the vibration pads. You'll see here we have an on and off valve that turns the air on and off inside the entire trailer. A lot of companies, they'll use a 35 or 30 CFM compressor. For the extra little bit of money, we decided to use the 55 CFM. We've had 0 failures with these, and customers seem to be very pleased. You'll see hanging up top here, probably the best they'll ever look, is the 2-man respirator system. I think the respirator's in the back, the actual pump itself, we'll get to that. But these are full face masks. You spray those down with mold release, which is like a silicone release agent, so the foam doesn't stick to it. And these hoses follow you into the depths of your spray area. Again, here's a 16-foot covered wagon trailer. Some things we like about it, you can buy cheaper trailers, but they don't hem these edges. A lot of times you look at this edge, it's got a little 5-degree kick on it. Keeps the panels nice and smooth down the side of the trailer. These are 7,000 GVW combined axles. They're 3,500 pounds apiece. We can get the upgraded package, either 10,400 or 15,000 GVW. Of course, we can get any size trailer that you'd like to have. We walk up inside. This is already loaded. We've got some 2-pound spray foam in here, closed cell. We've mated this Graco machine. This is an A25. It's a great little residential, maybe light commercial roofing applications, but it'll spray open cell, closed cell, and some coatings that we sell. And you'll see the nice, neat wiring job that Jacob's done on this trailer. So what happens is these drums have these drum pumps that pick up the material. This gray line here is a return line from the machine. The black hose is a supply line that supplies the machine with material. But this is pneumatically operated. Runs off that big compressor we have sitting up front. And we connect that air hose to this nipple. And this supplies the machine with material. You can see the hose goes all the way up. We manufacture these. These are temperature pressure blocks, and pressure and temperature is important for 2 reasons. One, it supplies the machine. You can visually see quickly that you have pressure going to the machine, and the temperature of the material, we really like to try to spray material that's 65 to 75 degrees. So that's good information for you as you start to set up your day to spray foam. Again, here's the Graco A25. It's a 2,000 PSI machine. Runs 210 feet of hose. We have 150 in this trailer. Refrigerated air dryer, 35 CFM. And this is an auto drain. It actually spits the water out the bottom of the trailer. You can see how we've set that back there. That little clear line is the drain. And again, Jacob's done a nice job here getting all the hoses properly crimped. Regulator. We're going to set this regulator at about 100 pounds, and that's going to supply the machine with air. It's also going to supply our drum pumps with air. We manufacture this hose in-house. We do this here in Georgia. This is high pressure hose, 3,000 psi core, internal core. And again, for a few extra dollars, you end up with a much higher quality hose. And we have some electrical outlets here in case you want to add some band heaters or plug in a heater during winter time. So again, here's the back shot of this trailer. 150 feet of hose on a professionally manufactured steel hose rack, powder coated, nice durable hose rack. We recommend, if you can, when you're spraying a job and you know you're going to be there for a bit, stretching this entire hose out, because they tend to get hot spots in them when they're coiled up like this indefinitely. If you're only using 100 feet and another 50 stays in here. So take the time, go ahead and pull the hose out, stretch it out. It's good for the hose, it's good for the lifespan of the hose. Again, here's the B-side component. We're running a Graco 2-to-1 drum pump. You can see the gray line here is the return line. And again, the supply line here supplies the machine with material. Nice, neat construction in assembling this, mounting all the hoses, spacing all the brackets evenly. Just a nice clean job, very simple rig. A-side component. So here you have it, guys and gals. Nice little Graco A25 rig. You're buying a machine that you know you can get parts for. Been very dependable. We've got probably a couple dozen of these things out, as well as some other machines. We probably have put 300 so machines on the streets in the last 4 years, 5 years. So we're pretty well versed in setting these things up quickly and efficiently. So here's an overall shot of the trailer. Again, this is a 16-footer, 7-foot interior, 7 feet wide, 7,000 GVW tandem axle with electric brakes, LED lighting. The front compartment here houses the compressor, houses a generator. Again, that generator's on slides, you can pull it in and out. Just a quick little walk around. 2 5/16 hitch. Has a 7-pin Bargman electrical connection. This big old plug here. One of these. Generator door. And the generator. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. 770-274-9888. Thank you.